Can you really make $500 a week using just ChatGPT? I thought it was just hype until I tried it myself. No coding, no experience, just one free AI tool. Here's exactly what I did. Step 1. Learn the prompt game. First, I spent one day learning how to use prompts. Not rocket science, just knowing how to ask ChatGPT the right way. For example, write me a blog post about credit repair for low-income Americans. Boom! Article done in 30 seconds. B-roll, ChatGPT screen, typing prompt, output appearing. Article done in 30 seconds. Then I created accounts on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. I listed simple gigs. I will write AI-powered blog posts. I will generate 10 social media captions using ChatGPT. Clients started rolling in. I charged $10, then $25, then $40 per project. B-roll. Fiverr gig pages, inbox messages, payments. Light picture of up. Made a portfolio. Then I added packages like full blog plus SEO plan. 30 Instagram captions in 24 hours. I automated 80% of the work with ChatGPT. By week 2, I was making over $500. B-roll, earnings graph, testimonials, time-lapse typing. This isn't get rich quick. But if you're consistent and smart, you can turn AI into your digital employee. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe to Dollar Hustle. Next video, 3 AI websites that pay you daily. See you there!